When you're in Bedford, you could do that because this is like a more desirable neighborhood, right? Like it's in the Cleveland market, but like, the values Bedford much higher, right? Crime and issues like that lower, schools better, right? Probably be able to increase that again next year if things go the way that they seem to be going out here in Northeast Ohio. Man, the rents keep climbing, okay? All right, y'all, we got another solid deal for you today. This one coming out of Bedford, Ohio. This is turnkey, ready to go, multi-year tenant, okay? As a matter of fact, this tenant just renewed her lease, just got a nice rental increase, and will probably be able to increase that again next year if things go the way that they seem to be going out here in Northeast Ohio. Man, the rents keep climbing, okay? The rents are going up, and when we get Section 8 tenants in our properties, folks, typically they stay longer, which this one just signed up for her second year, and we get a fatty lease renewal increase, okay? We just file it with Section 8, and the way the rents go, they keep going up and up and up, so it's pretty easy for the HoltonWise staff to go ahead and get pretty big rental increases for you. So we'd probably be aiming to hit you guys with about $1,200 a month when this lease expires in July of next year, right? Because we got a nice fat little increase this year, okay? And that's the name of the game, y'all. You get somebody in your unit, and you keep them there, and you couple that with free government guaranteed money, and you got no issues, man. You got no turnover to deal with. You got no turnover repairs. You got no leasing fees, right? It's all about keeping them in the units. And when you're in Bedford, you could do that because this is like a more desirable neighborhood, right? Like it's in the Cleveland market, but like, the values Bedford much higher, right? Crime and issues like that lower, schools better, right? So it's a lot more, I guess the word would be like a lot more like crap. I'm blanking on the word. Tyler, what's the word? Desirable. There we go. Thanks, Tyler. Tyler's out there mouthing it to me. It's a lot more desirable for the tenants, right? When you get something that's desirable for the tenants, they don't want to move. And when they don't want to move, you make more fucking money, y'all. And that is the name of the game. And big ticket items have recently been fixed up, renovated, right? We got a newer furnace in there. We got a newer hot water tank. Tenants in there like swimwear. Ain't nothing to do for you guys except make some money, right? To make an offer on this property, you would just submit it to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. If you want to pay cash, cool. Include your funds. If you want to finance it, cool. Include your pre-approval. If you don't have a pre-approval, I will get you one. Let me know. We have financing for people, all types of financing. That is what we do here. We put investors with lenders and get you in the deal, handle the management, handle the insurance. We do the whole shebang. But before you send me those offers, I want you to do all of your due diligence because I'm not going to bother my tenants. I'm not going to have a million people touring their house, but I still want you to get that due diligence done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to provide you with all of the uncut video tour footage that you've been looking at, right? You've been looking at it popping up, popping down, and it's all cut up. But I'm going to give you that full uncensored tour now, and then after you watch that, then go ahead and submit me your offer. 43 Forbes.
If you want to get this porch for like a walk-up, you can. She's going to pop the garage open though. I figured we just go right in the back door because it's open.
That's fine.
And we can pop in the basement there too.
Front porch.
done.
Negative $19,000 balance. And you owe us $19,000, chief.
Hey, dude, it's definitely not necessary for the tenants for us to film the garage. Every house has a garage.
Yeah. Figure the inside condition. You sound like John with bathrooms not needing to be in advertising pictures.
I mean,
The bathroom.
it's the same thing.
Yeah, how much leg room you got, dude? You shitting right next to the sink? You got like
Well, you know, you
a
got
lack of luxury.
you got two things here. All right, basement's right to the right,
so
I would imagine.
basement's to the left.
To the left.
Yeah.
Smells like dog shit.
You been in this one yet?
No. Not me, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to maybe do basement first and just knock it out.
Yeah.
Alright, got you.
Thank you. Spooky steps. Alright, perfect.
I think it's pretty open down there too. I mean, just basic lights if you don't mind. We got our own little light. We got that light that should be good on. So, haven't heard anything about it.
Nothing in there. Gets a little bit of moisture. Where's the front of this? Oh, there it is.
I was gonna say, I sent out that lease in anticipation.
How does that work? Like if
The
he
lease
does-
will stay in effect.
Okay.
So let's say he sells it, somebody buys it, they have their own property manager, they don't want to use us. They would take over, but your lease will stay in effect. So that's why we got kind of pushed that out. I don't think that's, we should plan on kicking the way out, but like,
Okay.
because you were up for renewal. Or,
Stuff in storage, but
Mhm.
I'm just saying, like, that's just. a
yeah,
lot.
no, I kind of saw it coming, so I mean, again, we might retain it.
Okay.
Hey, Bunny.
Yep, exactly. So it just makes it easier than a week later somebody else showing up.
It's pretty small house.
Yes, pretty consistently, but same thing.
Very far. That's why I don't really want to move.
Bedroom. Bigger bedroom. It's cool. Excuse me, Mr. Bunny, sorry. And we overheated. Come on. Bathroom. And then shower. Oh, it's got a new thing on it. It's a bum.
He's got one here, he's got one in Canton, one in Elyria, one in Cleveland.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.